Okay, so I'm solving a cubic, so that's the remainder theorem. So I tried to find one factor first of all. So putting in 1 first of all, f of 1 is 6 lots of 1 cubed minus 19 lots of 1 squared, 11 lots of 1 minus 6. So that is 6. 1 cubed is 1 times 6 is 6. 1 squared is 1 minus 19 plus 11 minus 6. And that makes minus 8. So that's no good. Then I go to minus 1. 6 lots of minus 1 cubed, 19 lots of minus 1 squared, plus 11 lots of minus 1 plus 6. Cube minus 1 is minus 1, so that's minus 6. Square minus 1 is plus 1, so that's minus 19. 11 lots of minus 1 is minus 11 plus 6, and you see there's no way that is equal to 0. It's minus 25 minus 36, that's minus 30. Then go to 2. So f of 2 is 6 lots of 2 cubed minus 19 lots of 2 squared plus 11 lots of 2 plus 6. 2 cubed is 8, 8 6s are 48, minus, right, 2 squared is 4, 4 19s, so double 19 twice, 19, 38, 76. 11 2s are 22 plus 6. That's 48 and 22, 40, 60 are 70 and 6 are 76, so that equals 0. Therefore, x minus 2 is a factor. Okay, now because I got one factor, I now need to reduce this cubic into a linear factor times a quadratic factor. So 6x cubed minus 19x squared plus 11x plus 6. And that's going to be x minus 2 times a quadratic expression. Now then, the first term here, when I multiply x by this first term, it's going to make 6x cubed. So that means that has to be 6x squared. And at the end, minus 2 times this number has to make plus 6. So that's going to have to be minus 3. And the middle term is something x, so I'll call that kx. And I need to find k. Now then, I look at the x squared term on the left, that's minus 19 x squared. Now to make an x squared, when I expand this bracket, there's only two multiplications that will make a squared. It's the x times kx and the minus 2 times 6x squared. So just dealing with the x squareds then. On the left I got minus 19x squared. On the right I got kx squared minus 12x squared. So forget the x squareds. So minus 19 is k minus 12. And take that minus 12 over, and that tells me that k is minus 7. So I'm now solving x minus 2. Replace that k back in here. So 6x squared minus 7x minus 3 equals 0. And I need now to factorize this quadratic. So I'm going to put a 6x and a 6x all over 6. 6 3s are 18. So I'm looking for numbers to multiply to give 18, take away to give 7. So that's 9 2's. And I want minus 7, so I'll be minus there and a plus there. So I got a common factor in this bracket of 3. So 3 times 2x minus 3 times 3 is 9. On this bracket I got a common factor of 2. So that's 3x plus 1 all over 6. And 3 2's make 6, so they will cancel out. So this is my factorized equation. Equals 0. I want to solve it, so I want x values. So this bracket will give me x equals 2. This bracket will give me x equals 3 over 2. And this bracket will give me x equals minus 1/3. Okay, when x cubed minus 3 is divided by x minus a, the remainder is 11. So another way of saying that then is that f of a is equal to 11. So put an a in, so I got a cubed minus 53 is equal to 11. A cubed is 11 plus 53, so A cubed is 64, and A is the cube root of 64, so A will equal 4.